Coinmama is a user-friendly crypto exchange for buying Bitcoin and Ethereum with fiat via card or bank transfer. Account creation is quick, 3 to 5 minutes, and passwordless. Uses email verification for security. Available in 190-plus countries. Requires 18-plus age and KYC for trading. Steps: visit site or app. Go to coinmama.com or download the Coinmama app. Click sign up or get started. Enter email. Choose Continue with email or Google for faster. Input your email address. Continue. Verify email. Check inbox for a 6-digit code or link from Coinmama. Enter code on site or app. Complete profile. Add basic info. Full name, date of birth, address, phone. Agree to terms. Submit. Set up wallet. Optional. Link external wallet like MetaMask or create Coinmama wallet. App. Create new wallet. Secure 12-word phrase offline. Verify identity, KYC. Upload government ID, passport or ID card, plus selfie. Approval. Instant to 24 hours. Basic for $300 per day, full for higher limits.